This is Scott from KIG. It's May 14th, 2014. This is a brand new 8-ton SAC industrial air-cooled chiller that we have in our shop here at KIG in Massachusetts, ready to go out to a local customer here. We're just going to do a brief run-off and demonstration of the unit. We can actually keep the covers off while we run this, the way this chiller is constructed, with the coils rest horizontally up above here, and that's kind of an airtight enclosure there with the two fans exhausting upwards. So unlike some other chillers, the side covers, which we do have of course, do not need to be on to run this thing effectively. We're going to go ahead and just turn our power on, 230 volt 3-phase. This is what you see when the screen powers up here, and you press the on button to put power on, and then we press the pump, and you can hear the pump just kicked in. I don't want to turn on just yet. Let me turn the set point up a little bit. The set point range on this is 6 degrees C to 25 C. The red is the process value. The green number is the set point value. We're going to go ahead and chill down to 6 degrees Fahrenheit by pressing set. I'm sorry, 6 degrees centigrade is what I meant. And press the compressor button next, and there'll be a time delay before we start chilling. We can go over a couple things while that time delay is going on. We have our high pressure and our low pressure refrigerant gauges for troubleshooting. The low pressure leads right back here to this connection, then it tees off and goes to our high-low pressure switch there. Similarly, there's the high pressure comes here, and that also tees off and goes to the high and low pressure switch that's right there. We have a 8 horsepower Copeland scroll compressor. We have our dryer in the line here, our thermo expansion valve. These units use a nice brazed plate heat exchanger. We have our incoming water, our outgoing water. These are 1-inch connections on the 8-ton. This is just a filler inlet, and you have your drain in the back of the unit. And then we have our level gauge for the tank. That is our pump. In this case here, it's a 33 GPM capacity pump. The suction side of the pump evacuates fluid from the reservoir tank. You can see we have a temperature probe there also. Here's the inside of our tank. You can hear the time delay just kicked in, and our chiller turned on and is chilling. And that little line there between the processed water and fluid piping, that gives you a little bit of a bypass flow to ensure there's enough flow over the heat exchanger. And we'll come back, video number 2 in a second. You can see we're starting to chill right now.